What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Autosnipe AI. So, in this case, how do you connect your Phantom Wallet here? Well, connecting your Phantom Wallet is fairly easy, but there are going to be some requirements. So, first things first is you need to have a Phantom Wallet. So, I'm assuming you already have that one. Now, also, you need to go to the official website here for Autosnipe, which is Autosnipe.ai. Now, at the top right of Autosnipe AI here, or at the center, you see these buttons here, which indicates connect and snipe. Now, what you need to do here is you just need to click those buttons, and once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Now, from here, you just need to confirm a few things here. Like, for example, you need to sign a message here. So let's go and click on confirm here. And once you click on confirm, that would actually connect your Phantom Wallet into Autosnipe AI and can go and start using their platform. So this one is fairly easy, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.